Hello everyone, this is the part 2 video on fraction. In this video, we are going to learn more about fractions and few operations on fraction. So we have term like fraction and unlike fraction. What are the like fractions? So if we have the denominator is common in given fractions are called the like fractions. So here we have all the denominator as 7 in all the given fraction. So these all are the like fraction. Next is unlike fraction. So here we have different denominator in all given fractions. So these fractions are called unlike fraction. So now next is conversion of fraction from unlike to like. So here we are given with two fraction which has uncommon denominator or different denominator. How to make them common? So for that we will take LCM of these two numbers. So LCM of 4 and 7. As we know, these two numbers are co-prime number because there is no common factor between these two. So the LCM will be 4 times 7, which is 28. So here we want denominator as 28. So to make 4 as 28, we have to multiply 7 here. If we multiply 7 in the denominator, we have to multiply 7 in the numerator as well. So here we already have 1 times 7, which is 7 over 28. Now next one is 3 over 7. Now to make this 7 as 28, we have to multiply 4 here. So if we are multiplying 4 in the denominator, we have to multiply 4 in the numerator as well. After multiplying 4 in the numerator and the denominator, we will have 12 over 28. So these two are the like fraction of given unlike fraction. Now next is we are given with three fractions. And these three fractions are unlike fraction. To make like fraction, we have to take the LCM of these three numbers. And we know 3, 4 and 5 are co-prime number because there is no common factor between these three numbers. So the LCM will be 3 times 4 times 5, which is 60. So here 2 over 3. To make this 3 as 60, we have to multiply 20 here. So if we multiply 20 in the denominator, we have to multiply 20 in the numerator as well. So the like fraction will be 40 over 60. Now next is 3 over 4. To make this 4 as 60, we have to multiply 15 in the denominator. If we multiply 15 in the denominator, we have to multiply 15 in the numerator. After multiplying 15, we will get 45 over 60. Now next is 3 over 5. So here if we want to convert the denominator in 60, we have to multiply 12 in the denominator. So we will multiply 12 in the numerator. So here we will get 36 over 60. So now these three are called like fraction. Now operations on fraction. So we have addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and division of fractions. So here in this video, we are going to do addition of fractions and word problems based on that. Subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions we will do in the further videos. So here we have addition of fractions. So here in this we are given with two fractions which we need to add. Both the fraction have common denominator as 7. So to add these two fractions, we take the common denominator as 7 as the common and add the numerator of both the fraction, which is 4 plus 5 is 9 over 7. Next is 4 over 9 plus 1 over 5. So here both the denominators are different. So we have to make them same first. To make the denominator same, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 9 and 5 is 9 times 5, because these two numbers are co-prime number. There is no common factor in 9 and 5. So LCM will be the product of these two numbers. So 4 over 9. To make the denominator 45, we have to multiply 5 here. So we will multiply 5 in the numerator as well. So it will be 20 over 45 and 1 over 5. To make this denominator as 45, we have to multiply here 9. So we will multiply 9 in the numerator as well. 9 over 45. Now add these two like fractions. So 20 over 45 plus 9 over 45. So we will take 45 as the LCM and 20 plus 9 as numerator. So which is 29 over 45. So here we have our next problem. One is a proper fraction and one is the mixed fraction, and we have to add these two fractions. So to add these two fractions, well, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that, there is a conversion with the mixed fraction in the form of Q, R, D, where Q is a quotient, R is a remainder, and D is a divisor. So here we have 1 over 5. So first we will multiply 5 and this 1 times 5, and add this remainder, which is 1, over divisor, which is 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. So this is the conversion of this mixed fraction. Now we can see both the denominators are different. That means these are the unlike fraction. First we have to make them, convert them into like fraction. To make the like fraction, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So the denominator is 7 and 5, and LCM of 7 and 5 is 7 times 5, because there is no common factor between these two numbers. So 2 over 7. To make the denominator as 7 times 5, we have to multiply 5. So we will multiply 5 in the numerator as well. So which is 10 over 35. And 6 over 5. So we have to multiply 7 in the denominator and in the numerator as well. So 6 times 7 is 42 over 35. So 10 over 35 plus 42 over 35. So now take the LCM is 35. 10 plus 42, which is 52 over 35. So this is our answer. So here we have few problems on addition. Pause the video and try to do these questions on your own and check the answer at the end of the video. Now we have what problem on addition. So here we have our first problem. Sonam drinks 1 by 5 liter water in short break and 2 by 5 liter water in long break. So we have to find how much water does she drink altogether. So Sonam drinks 1 by 5 liter water in short break. And she drinks 2 by 5 liter water in long break. So altogether, how much water does she drink? So we have to add these two fractions. So 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Here we have like fraction. Both the denominators are same. So we will take 5 in the denominator and numerator will be added up. So 1 plus 2, which is 3 over 5 liter water she drinks. So here we have the solution of the problems which I have given during the video. Check your answer whether you have got it correctly or not. If not, then go through the video again. Thank you.